Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the collaborative tool Padlet. The website is padlet.com, padlet.com. Page will open up that will ask you to create an account. The creation of an account is very simple. You can sign in with your Google account or with your Microsoft account or with your Apple account, which if you're on your own laptop, it will automatically have your password and will connect Padlet together with your set account. If you're using an email from another place, then you put it in here. You make up a password and you click off to be able to sign in. When you're ready, once your email and account are set up, you log in. Once you've logged in, you'll have this interface here that enables you to have different options. I'm going to just go through the basic setup of a Padlet. So you make a Padlet, it will give you a lot of different kinds of options. What the screen will look like, what the experience will look like, depending on what the goal of what you're trying to do for the experience. So the one that's probably the classic one that people use is called the wall. And when you do this, it creates a page that is just default standard. I didn't do anything special here. This was just made by the website, and it enables me to have a number of different options here on the side. I can change the title. So let's call this, we'll call this Brainstorm. We're going to use this Padlet as a way for the participants to share all the ideas that they have on a topic, and then the description might be the subtopic. So it could be how to waste less in my home, how to produce with less waste. I can even change the URL from this code here, and I can call it, let's see if that one's taken. That one's not taken. I can call this waste. Let's see if that worked. Okay. So if I want to share this link once it's ready, I can share it with all the members of the group that I want to participate. The background I can change. I can do a picture. I can have my own wallpaper. I can upload something from my files on my computer. I can also search for an image. So if I want to use something like this, the title of mine is Brainstorm, so I'd already put that in. So this gives you an image of what exactly you're going to be doing during that experience. And once all of these elements are done, there's other options here at the bottom. The posts require approval. That would mean that you will see the post first before it goes up, filtering profanity and so on. But these are the main features. And then when you want to share this with other people, you go to the settings, invite people, share, not invite people, share. And over here it says privacy secret. You want to change the privacy to make sure that people have the ability to write. Keep the Padlet hidden from public. Okay, so I want this to just be for a certain group, and I can give them the ability to write only or to edit, which means they can change what other people wrote. To read would not allow them to write anything on there. Once you have checked this is good, you can share the link. You can do it as a code, a barcode. You can share it on social media. You can share it by email, or if you're doing this in a live setting, you can share it as a link inside of a Zoom chat, for example, and then anybody can open that link on their own device, and they can use the link to access this, and then this will become, all the participants in the room can now add their content and add their ideas to this page. The way that that's done is down here at the bottom right of the screen. click on the plus sign, which gives you a box that opens up, and this box gives you a number of different options of what types of content you can share. And all you have to do is click the one that you like. So if I'm just using text, I can add a text, I hit enter, I click off the screen, and then that box is saved. And I can add as many boxes as I would like, and so on and so on, and that generates the whole page to give people the ability to share all their ideas in one space, a great activity to use as a